Welcome to our channel. Today, you'll learn exactly how to fix biometric login issues on your banking app with a clear step-by-step troubleshooting guide. Welcome to our channel. Biometric login offers convenience and enhanced security for accessing your banking app. But encountering problems can be frustrating. Let's walk through a detailed step-by-step troubleshooting guide to help you regain smooth access. First, make sure your device's biometric sensor is clean and unobstructed. Use a soft cloth to gently wipe the fingerprint scanner or face recognition lens. Next, verify that your device's operating system and banking app are both updated to the latest versions. Updates often include important fixes for biometric compatibility issues. Then, check your biometric settings on your device. Go to the Security or Biometrics section and review the registered fingerprints or facial data. Confirm that the data is accurate and re-register your biometric information if necessary. If you recently changed your device's lock screen password or PIN, it can sometimes affect biometric login. Make sure your lock screen is properly set and consider resetting it. If issues persist, also ensure your banking app has the necessary permissions to access biometric data. Check the app permissions in your device's settings and enable biometric access. If it was accidentally disabled, restart your device after making changes, as this can refresh system functions and resolve minor glitches. If biometric login still fails, try clearing the banking app's cache and data. This can remove corrupted files causing the problem. But note, you may need to log in again after clearing data. If none of these steps work, temporarily switch to manual login methods, such as username and password. While you contact your bank's customer support for further assistance, they might have additional troubleshooting steps or updates. Specifically inquire if there are ongoing server issues or maintenance affecting biometric login. Finally, keep your device and banking app secure by only using official apps and regularly monitoring for unusual activity. Following these steps should help you troubleshoot and resolve most biometric login issues effectively.